is. So gagawa tayo ng classic lumpiang toge na may ground pork, yung isa naman may tofu at yung isa may tuna. So first things first, ginisa ko yung ating gulay at tinimplahan ko ito ng powdered at liquid seasoning and niluto ko siya under high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes lang. And then once done, set it aside para lumamig. At kapag lumamig na ang gulay, ihanda na lahat ng ingredients at maghanda na tayo magbalot. So I'm using large lumpia wrapper. Normally I scoop 1 tablespoon ng gulay tapos ito-toppings natin yung tofu or yung giniling or yung tuna and hirap lang natin and ready na siya i-deep fry. So sa pagdi-deep fry naman, wag natin sosobrahan. Make sure it's just golden brown and crispy and we're done. So presenting my lumpiang toge in 3 ways: in pork, tofu, and tuna. And that's it.